to allow your heart to open, your mind to soften, and to allow healing light to go where it may. Give me this day my daily bread. Forgive me all my trespasses, and lead me not into dismay, but let me pray upon the highest hill. Let me know the beauty of thy will, and from it let me not stray, but deliver me from negativity. Baptize me in your majesty. Christen me with the love that is free. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done. When I realize that we are one, and only with these eyes do I see. Thy word is heard on mountains high, valleys low, through summer skies, in lands of war and lands where there is peace. Te te malkuta neth kadeshamach matolel hewa hela wateshbukta. From Catholic saints to Hindu names, Buddhist chants through Zen refrains, bless all the paths our feet walk to be free. Bless all the paths our feet walk to be free. Bless all the paths our feet walk to be free. Baruch atah Adonai, Om Shanti El Shaddai, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Oming together. Breathing into this moment, we allow the fullness of life to have its way within our being. We breathe into our spiritual practice, remembering the power of time in the silence, remembering the power of time together in communion. There is no place to go to get more God. We are swimming in a sea of Godness. All light, all life, all love is right here, right now. Visible and invisible, formed and substance. So we breathe into our awakening, allowing this moment to have all of our attention and intention, because we notice and we remember that this is the moment. This is the holy instant. This is the one moment we have, and it is eternal. So we draw our energy from the past and we bring it to this now moment. So it is available, accessible. We bring our thoughts from the future and we ask them to come home. That our energy, our attention, and our intention be available right here and right now. For this moment contains more than enough. Fully embracing this moment in its completeness is a spiritual practice in and of itself. Choosing not to run away from this moment into the future, back to the past, but trusting that with this moment comes all of the resources needed and necessary to presence it so fully and completely in the divine altar within. So inhaling and exhaling. I invite you to lift up anything that is on your heart, on your mind, as you set your intention to be fully present to this moment in the power of the silence.
And so it is. Namaste.